Inside this video, I'm going to share with you how you can get paid just by watching videos. You're already watching videos every single day. You're on YouTube watching videos. You're probably watching TV, the news, whatever the case is, you're always watching videos, but you've never been getting paid. Inside this video, I'm going to be revealing this website and sharing with you exactly what you need to do to get registered, how you start making money, where to go to actually start watching the videos on the website, and then how to actually cash out your money from watching videos on this website. And this is a worldwide opportunity, so for those of you that are in other countries wondering if this is something that you guys can do right now, you definitely can do that with this website that I'm going to be revealing through this video. So make sure you stick all the way to the end of this video so you don't miss out any details that I cover inside this video. As a matter of fact, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be subscribed to my YouTube channel, and then you'll be notified exactly when I come out with a new video showing you another website on how you can watch videos and get paid. Okay, so the whole objective of this thing is to watch as many videos as possible, but also get paid from multiple websites at the same time. So let's go ahead and hop on over to the website so we can break down exactly what you need to do to get registered, get on the inside, start watching videos, what section to go to, and obviously how to cash out. I love this website because it's very advanced on the back end. I love the way the stats display on the back end, and so whenever I go over these details of how to register and whatnot, I want you guys to be aware that all you have to do in order to actually cash out is create 50 cents worth of earning. That's it. That's all the requirements is on this website to actually withdraw your money is 50 cents minimum from this website. So you're going to be watching quite a bit of videos, and like I said, I have multiple videos on this YouTube channel that go over other websites you can watch videos on and actually earn income on, but this is one of the best ones that I've found so far. And what we're going to be paying attention to is that section that says PTC video ads. Okay, this is where we're going to be doing the majority of our earnings. There are other ways of actually earning in the back end office, actually, you know, whenever you get done registering here, but this is the primary one that we're going to be focusing on today on this website, which is actually watching videos. Now they have quite a bit of people who've actually earned on this website, and as I show you these details on here, just be aware that, you know, this is a worldwide opportunity. You can actually get paid pretty much anywhere in the world, and as I displayed earlier in this video, there's quite a bit of people actually getting paid out through this website, but the main portion of this and what you guys got to understand is you're going to be getting paid out through BTC, which is Bitcoin. Okay, and I'm going to show you throughout this video how you can actually turn that Bitcoin into cash and actually deposit into your bank account straight from just a couple of apps. You know, now the new wave of technology, how everything's working now nowadays, and how this world is actually progressing, there are easier ways of actually turning your cryptocurrencies into cash pretty much in the same day. And so I'm sharing that with you here on this video because a lot of people don't quite understand what Bitcoin is, and it's okay if you don't, but I'm just telling you that there's very easy to actually turn that into cash and then actually deposit that into your bank account same day. So that's the cool thing about this. So let's go ahead on over to where it says register, and we're going to go ahead and hit register. Now you're going to pick a name that you want. I'm going to pick another one because I've already have another account that I've already actually opened up here, so I'm just going to be typing in or creating some type of name. Okay, choose a folder, register, go ahead and save it. Okay, so now you're gonna have to go to your email address and confirm it. Okay, so now I'm logged on into my account, and as you can see, there is a lot of stuff back here to look at. But what you need to pay attention to right here is just the section that says earn. And once you click on that, it's gonna open up a little menu right here, and I'm gonna try to get as close as possible on this screen so you can see. There you go. Anyways, you can see it says PTC. You can see offer walls. You can see a lot of different things back here. You can see video. Okay, now that's the section that you need to go ahead and click on where it says video. Okay, right here where it says video. Now there are all types of videos here. Some of them are funny, some of them, you know, just whatever. Okay, and so there's a lot of different videos here that you can go ahead and watch, and I'm just gonna go ahead and play one of these. And as you can tell, that my stats did change after just watching this video for at least 30 seconds. Okay, so you have to wait at least 30 seconds for you to actually get actually make some earnings here. And so you're just gonna have to keep on going and watching more videos, but the longer that you watch them, the more that you earn. Okay, so you just have to, you know, just go through the process and then watch as many videos as you can. Okay, just make it a thing where you're kind of like watching these at the same time. And then as you find more and more websites, you can actually have a bunch of these playing at once. Or if you really enjoy the videos, you can just keep watching them and watching them all day long, pretty much. Some of them are music videos, so like rap artists trying to come up, stuff like that. Okay, so if I refresh my screen again, you used to see the numbers go up again. And so that's pretty much it, guys. You just go through these and you keep watching them. There are other offers back here, like I said. Here's another one that's pretty good, paid to click. Okay, I showed individuals how to actually maneuver on this portion of the website through my other video that I created. There should be a pop-up on the screen now showing that video, but it's a paid to click website or section where you can actually click on ads and get paid. Okay, and so I demonstrated that in that past video. Not going to demonstrate it again inside of this video. So the name of the website I've been telling you about is called lightgpt.com. Okay, lightgpt.com. I'll show you right here. But anyways, going forward here, that is the name of the website. So I'm gonna go ahead. The whole game plan behind this, guys, is that you can be logged into multiple websites that I give you on how to watch videos, and you can be earning in BTC. Okay, you can be earning in BTC, but you need to go ahead and turn that BTC into cash, or you could do something like me. You can take the money and actually start trading with the BTC, and then later on to cash out into cash. But there's another app called the Cash App. Okay, and then you're gonna find this website, and actually you can do this you can find this in your app store. You can find this in Google Play. Okay, you can see it right here. You definitely want to install that onto your phone, and then you get to actually connect your bank account to your phone. Okay, and so it's very simple on how to connect it. Okay, it walks you through step by step easily. If you want to connect your debit card, you can connect your debit card to where you want, if that's how you want to cash out. And so on this app, you're able to buy Bitcoin on there. Okay, and because you're able to buy Bitcoin on the Cash App, you're also able to cash out your Bitcoin into cash, and then you can actually withdraw it onto your debit card through this app. So it's very important that you get this app if you're going to be using any of these websites here in the future, because this is what the future is going, leaning towards, is these types of currencies, these cryptocurrencies, these blockchain technologies is the wave of the future, and you're going to be able to cash out doing this. Now, I've done this multiple times. I've traded in Bitcoin. I've basically, on the Cash App, you actually have an address to send and receive Bitcoin, and that's how you're able to send your funds, your LitGPT account into your Cash App, because you have an actual blockchain, like an actual address for your Bitcoin to go to. And because of that, you're able to cash out into your Cash App and then send it onto your debit card or directly into your bank account. That's what I love about this whole sequence here. You're going to be hearing about me and talking about the Cash App a lot, because that's the way I use it. There are different ways to actually cash out, but this is just the easiest way that I found personally, and I feel comfortable using. And if you're in a different country, there are other apps out there. I'm not aware of them as of right now, but this is one that I've personally used myself, and I continue to use myself. There are other apps that you can actually cash out into from there. As long as you have a blockchain address, then you could basically just transfer it anywhere. And so with that being said, guys, I want you guys to go ahead and take note of this video right here. This video right here is another video that I created on another website where you can actually earn more money by watching videos. So it should be an annotation on the screen somewhere. Go ahead and click and watch that video so that you can get the most informed information on exactly what you need to do to watch videos again and make more money through watching these videos. Okay, on this example video that I created on this video. Okay, so go ahead and click that video and actually watch that one. It's going to give you more insight. It's going to give you another website to actually utilize in the process of doing this. Okay. Okay, so you guys take care, and definitely if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to it, and definitely hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I come out with a new video showing you another website on how to make money without actually spending money.